Hello fashion lovers, welcome to Beaucraft channel, a combination of beauty and craft. Today, I'll be showing you how to sew a full circle skirt in 4 easy steps. I'm working with 2 beautiful vibrant colors, lilac and milk color. Lilac is mainly for the hemming and waistband, and milk color is for the skirt body. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting and educating DIY fashion tips. To our returning subscribers, welcome back, we love you. So let's dive in. Requirements for DIY full circle skirt with lilac hem. Materials needed: milk-colored fabric, main skirt. It could be cotton, satin, or chiffon. 2 to 3 yards depending on your size. Lilac-colored fabric, 4-inch hem, about 1/2 yard elastic band. For waistband, about 1 inch wide. Fabric chalk or marker, measuring tape. Fabric scissors, sewing machine pins or clips. Matching thread, milk and lilac colors. Iron. Step 1. Measurement and cutting of the fabric. Determine the radius of your skirt. Use the formula waist divided by 6.28 to find the waist radius. Example, I'm using waist 28 inches. Divide by 6.28 gives me approximately 4.5 inches. Fold the fabric in quarters to make it easier to cut a full circle. Mark and cut the waist circle using fabric chalk. Decide on the length of the skirt. I'm working with 22 inches from waist to hem. Cut out the full circle shape to form the main skirt body, just as you're seeing it on your screen. Step 2. Cut and attach the lilac hem. Cut a long 4-inch wide strip of lilac fabric, ensuring it's long enough to go around the skirt's bottom edge. Sew the strips together, if needed, to match the skirt's circumference. Pin the lilac hem to the bottom edge of the skirt, right sides together. Sew the hem with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, then fold it down and top stitch for a neat finish. Step 3. Attach the elastic waistband. Cut an elastic band that fits snugly around your waist. Sew the ends of the elastic together to form a loop. Pin the elastic to the skirt's waist, stretching it evenly. Sew the elastic onto the fabric using a zigzag stitch, ensuring flexibility. Final look. Ta-da! Our skirt is ready. See how beautiful it looks. Now go ahead and press the seams of your own skirt with an iron for a polished look. Trim any loose threads and check for any uneven stitching. Try on your skirt and slay away. I know you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video so YouTube can recommend it to more people needing it. Feel free to share with your loved ones. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comment box. I'll attend to them. Also drop what tutorial you'd love to see next. And do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.